Hi, good morning. She's finally awake, by the way. I am not on top of my cardio game, so climbing and all of that, I'm definitely going to be out of breath. And I'll go take my bath and go to bed. So I would see you in the morning. Now that you're all caught up, it's an entirely different week. Today's Saturday. I'm in my gym clothes. At least I'm getting ready to go to the gym because it's a thing I love to do on a Saturday morning. Except the clouds, like the weather has just changed completely. It's very cloudy right now, and it looks like it's gonna rain. But I'm not gonna let that stop me because I really want to work out today. I want to look cute. I wanted to record my workout session. I don't know, I'm just in the mood to record my workout session. Not entirely for the vlog. Sometimes I record my sessions just to look at just to, measure my progress, if that makes sense. But also just to show you what I'm doing at the gym now. But now that it's looking like it's gonna rain, well, that's not gonna stop me. But I have to hurry up and leave home before it starts because I don't want to get there with wet shoes. I don't like wet shoes. So yeah, let me get ready and then I'll talk to you. Okay, like just give me a moment. Okay, so the rain was a false alarm. It's quite sunny outside. It's actually very sunny. It would have been weird if it rained because it literally rained cats and dogs yesterday. But anyway, my mattress is not in my bed. Talk about it soon. This is my fit. I've been throw up the sex in her. And I can put you in. I can put you in. I've been throw up the sex in her. And I can put you in. If you're loving every night, it make you mad, oh. Now only you give me love and make me nice, oh, nice, oh, nice, oh. I feel make you mine, oh. When I love you, plus I never make you mine, oh. I'm back home, obviously. Unfortunately, my battery died before I could film my ab workout. I'm trying out this thing. What am I trying out? Well, I've been seeing these standing ab workouts on TikTok, Instagram, everywhere. And the girlies have been loving it. So I want to give it a shot and see how, it goes for me. So yeah. I did that. after my battery died. I stretched a bit and I'm home now. I'm so tired. But I have to like take my bath. I'm trying to order. Also, happy new month. It's my birthday month. When is this video going up? Sunday. Okay. Wow, who shall that? This video goes up on Sunday. What's the Sunday's date? 4th June. My birthday will be in 4 days. 8th June. So yes, my birthday month. I'm happy, obviously. It's my birthday all month. The whole month is for me. Yes. What else did I have to say? Also, thank you for 20k. I took a bit of a break. Came back to 20k. I'm like, thank you so much. So yeah, that was exciting. We have a lot of catching up to do. And also, shout out to my girl. I don't know if she wants me to say her name, but when I hit 20k, somebody, very sweet babe, give me a gift card as a, little congratulations on 20k. And that is the sweetest thing ever. Like, it's so sweet. Like, everybody said, oh, congratulations, blah, blah, blah. Not that the congratulations are not that I'm not grateful for the congratulations, but the fact that she went the extra mile to get me a gift card. You see it. When I do go there, I will go there. Not if. When I do go there, you probably see in a vlog. So shout out to her. I don't want to say her name because I don't know if she's comfortable with me saying her name, but thank you so much. I appreciate it. And thank you. Yeah, the reason this thing came up is because, yes, I was saying that I have to take off. This was like, those in between hairstyles that's like, okay, you don't want to commit to a new hairstyle, but you need something to sustain you for like a week. That's exactly what this hairstyle is. I bought some random curly hair extensions from this salon in the neighborhood, and I did like this half up half down thing. It's been like a week or a little over a week, and that's the plan. So I'm gonna take it off, wash my hair. The plan was to do this hairstyle, like a certain hairstyle for my birthday month, but plans have changed a bit. Probably do it July, God willing. I don't know. So I'm just gonna do braids. I really wanted my edges to rest because I feel like I'm putting my edges through a lot. But I can't also like not have any. I don't want to wear a wig for a month or like 3 weeks. That's too much commitment. I'm not ready for that commitment. So I'm thinking of braiding my hair, but like slightly different. I'm trying to order the extensions on Instagram. Hopefully it gets here on time. And then I can, go ahead, get the braids done today. Because like today's the only day I can't get it done. I don't want to be in a salon on Sunday for like 5-6 hours getting braids. That's not something I want to do. So yeah, gonna go shower and come back and talk for a bit. Yeah. Okay, so it's been a few hours and it's been a bit of a struggle because it took a while to get the extensions. I guess, well, fair enough, because that's what happens when you make last minute hair decisions. I didn't know I was gonna braid my hair until this morning. Like, I literally decided at the gym that, okay, I'm gonna get braids. So yeah, most of them couldn't deliver today. After a certain, if you don't order before a certain time, the delivery, like the dispatch rider will be out, so they can't add your order to the package. So yeah, it took a while. A lot of searching. Is almost evening at this point. I'm just hoping that when I get to the salon, the lady is not like, okay, I can't do braids at this time. So yeah, that's that. Let me get an Uber so that there are no stories that touch. I could walk, but yeah, I feel like it would take like 15 minutes to get there. So we'll see. Yeah, so yeah, the hair is here. Also, I'm really, why is it, oh, this is how it comes. Wow. This is what it looks like. The other, okay, cool. Now that I'm looking at it, I don't know if it's enough hair or not. But I bought 5 packs of the spiral hair. Let me show you what one looks like. To think that I'm actually late and I'm here coming to show you hair. Misplaced priorities. Because what's going on? Oh, okay. This is, I don't know. I think I may have to get another bundle of like regular hair. Because this, I don't know, but let's see. Why is it not opening? You're like a beautiful... Okay, I can't figure out. Let me just rip this thing apart. This is what it looks like. I wanted one that was, you know, just two-toned. So like this color and the brown, dark brown. But they had the one that had the blonde. That's the only one I could find based on how much of a hurry I was on. So that's it. This is what we have. This is what we are going to be working with. So I got 5 packs of these in different lengths because I'm trying to do the layered look. So I hope it comes out great, because if it doesn't, also I didn't get the lengths I wanted. So I was able to get 24, 22 and 14. I wanted 24, 18 and 14 or something. But hopefully they can like trim it and make it look layered. Yeah. Also, who is paying 600 cedis, 700 cedis plus for knotless braids? I called a few salons and their prices were like 600, 700, 800 cedis. I'm like, am I out of touch with reality? 700 cedis for knotless braids without the extensions. What's going on? What is going on? Anyway, I've decided that I'm going to try one of the... There are like 10 salons on my stretch. It's just braids. I don't think they can mess... If it was a wig, I would not even dare. But it's just braids. They can definitely not mess it up. So yeah, I'm going to give it a shot. If it works, you don't have to pay 700 cedis for knotless braids. I'm sorry, it doesn't make sense. It doesn't. I'm getting the Uber because I cannot make it there on time. It doesn't make sense to pay that much money for braids. Yeah, so that's that. That's the update. Also, let's talk about why I needed to, while we wait for the Uber, let's talk about, he's literally 2 minutes away. So if you're not new to the channel, oh, I didn't introduce myself. My name is Antwiwaa. If you're new, if you're not new, welcome back. My G. But yeah, I took like a month break off here because I had just gotten to a point where I was physically, mentally, emotionally drained. I was just drained. I had a lot of ideas, but I couldn't get myself to execute those ideas. I wasn't productive anywhere. I think the only thing that was holding me, like keeping me up, right, was the gym. So thank God for the gym. Because there's always like after a long day, after a bad day, good day, I go to the gym and I can just, you know, just have that time. It's always a good time for me. So yeah, after some point I was like, I cannot be trying to get content out of my life when my life was like it's falling apart. It's not that deep, but that's how I felt like at the time. So yeah, I just decided that I need a break. I took the break. It was really amazing. I also figured something out. I don't know if I didn't figure it out, but I just realized it. So like the ride is here. Right before I decided to take a break, I was fine. And then I go to the gym, so most of the time I just shuffle music because I cannot have one playlist for the gym. It would be tiring because I go to the gym every single day. Well, I have like a few rest days, but every other day I'm at the gym. So I shuffle music, and then I came across this song by Omale. It's a nice song, but there's a but. It's called I'm a Mess. I like the song, I like the beats, not necessarily the words, because the words were not empowering at all. But the beats, the rhythm, everything was nice. It was that kind of thing you can groove to, you know, lift your weight, bounce a bit, that kind of song. So when I find a song that I'm vibing to, I listen to it on repeat till I've exhausted it. I was fine when the song started. I was listening to it fine. Day 1, day 2, day 3. By I think day 3, I started to feel the impact of the song, which is weird. But I had, you know, gotten familiar with the lyrics, and I was saying these words which were not empowering at all. He was talking about how he's a mess. So yeah, he's talking about how he's a mess, how he's effed up, and you know, he's just drinking, addiction, everything was pretty much a mess. So I came to a realization that I started saying these words or singing along to the song, and it kind of became my reality. I don't know how to say it. This is like deep, but it's just so it's not just music. I feel like the more I sang the song, the more that became my reality. Like I started feeling like I was a mess, and everything was just a mess. So yeah, that's what I learned. Now I don't take music lightly. Like I don't care whose song it is. I am not going to re-emphasize on something that is not empowering or is not where I'm at. Do you get? So yeah, I just thought to share. If you find yourself, you know, not in a great place, or just, you know, just in a mess, look at the kind of music you're listening to or the kind of songs you're singing along to. They may impact, you know, all of that. So yeah, my ride is here. I have like 2 minutes left of waiting time, so I'll see you at the salon.
A few hours later,
I'm on the train headed back to Indiana. The rain is forming into rivers outside, writing down all the things that I miss, and in the letters you take form. No, I won't go back tonight with the habits of the restless me. I'm leaving all that stuff behind. We can start all over in our hometown, running free. It could be everything that we were chasing.
One eternity later.
Just to see